Mommy car?
Eat your carrot.
What's up, Mommy car?
What's up? Mommy's car.
Yeah.
No.
What's up, my car?
What's up? Your car seat.
Yeah.
What's up, Doc? What's up, Aiden?
What's up, Ethan? What's up, Thatcher? Why don't you walking?
Do you like carrots?
Yeah. What's up, garlic?
You're silly.
Yes, I am.
At least you admit it.
What's up, sister? What's up, baseball?